It's finally the first day of summer. Summer has finally arrived. I kind of doubted it because the day started out very gloomy and dark. It was drizzling, but the sun has finally come out. So I decided to head to downtown Vancouver and head on over to English Bay Beach. Everybody's gathering around already to enjoy the nice, hot, sunny day. It's the first in a while. We had summer starting a few weeks ago, and then all of a sudden, for the past 2 weeks or so, it was cold again. It got freezing cold. It even snowed in the mountains. Crazy stuff. But now it's nice and warm again. The sun is out, first day in a while, and people are gathering all around to enjoy the beautiful views, nice summer heat. As usual, this is what we do in Vancouver. We come down to the beach on hot days, on weekdays, after work, on weekends. Just sit back, relax, enjoy some music, sometimes drink beers. It's a weekday, we're not drinking beers today, but hey, it's a beautiful day. We've got a whole bunch of people out here and Canadian guard dogs. They're out here by the flock, as they always are. They come here at night to sleep, and then they're here in the daytime because there's so many people. Usually they come and they beg for food and all of that. So I'm gonna enjoy the day a bit, see what happens. Stay tuned as we hang out on English Bay, party a bit, hang out, relax, enjoy the nice heat. It doesn't get dark until about 9 or 10 p.m. so we've got some time, and let's see what happens. See if more people show up. Maybe it turns into a beach party, who knows. Stay tuned and find out. These here are called the Amazing Laughter. They are, I believe, 14 statues in total. I might be wrong. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I was right. 14 statues in total of laughing men. And they're here in the little park across the street from English Bay. That's back there. It was donated to the city of Vancouver by Chip Wilson and his wife. If you don't know, Chip Wilson is the creator of Lululemon, and these were created. They're very famous statues here in Vancouver. Lots of people come and take pictures with them. Real huge tourist attraction, a tourist site. And they're interesting. All laughing, and as I said, they're supposedly all made to look like the sculptor who made them. He sculpted them in his own image. I don't know what the guy's name is. I'll put it below. But it's neat. And one of the many various things to see when you're in the West End of Vancouver and around English Bay. I'm walking down towards Falls Creek. We're here near Sunset Beach, and look at this. I'll zoom in so you all can see it good. A boat over there. Looks like it's sunk. I guess it sprung a leak, or maybe just the waves on the rough day, who knows, but you can barely see it. It's sunk. That's crazy. Right on the beach, they're hosting some Latin dancing classes. Look at that. Perfect day for it. And then we've got people skateboarding on the side here, because it's like a little skate park area. We're at the Sunset Beach area. We left English Bay. That's a party boat back there in the water, coming back from their cruise. So it was a nice, relaxing day on the beach. Not much really happened, so I didn't really get much filming. But I decided I'm gonna walk down on the waterfront side, all the way down Falls Creek towards the Sky Train, where I'll catch it back home. That's the Burrard Bridge over there, and maybe we find some amazing stuff to show you all. Like, you saw the dance classes back there, you saw the sunken boat. There's really interesting stuff all over the place. So stay tuned and let's see what else we find. Let me show you guys quick. Look at that. There's a little chartered party boat going there underneath the Burrard Bridge, and then a little ferry boat there. They pick you up from different parts all along Falls Creek, and they have different docks all over the area. You get on one and then you hop off at another area. They're like water taxis. I'll put the link in the description, and up above I rented one a while back and toured all over Falls Creek and Granville Island. Real amazing video, be sure to check it out. We are on the other side of the Burrard Bridge. We got a little marina here. This is what we call Beach Avenue. That's the Granville Bridge back there. Amazing fountain here in front of this these condominiums. Real beautiful. I always love this waterfall. Got a bird down there. Looks like a stork of some kind. I don't know. Like I always say, I'm terrible at recognizing birds. He's cautiously watching me, wondering if I'm going to do something to him. And this is the Falls Creek area here. We've got the Granville Bridge up there, and behind the famous Granville Island. Here he comes. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Here is one of the aqua bus, they're called, one of the seafaring ports. It's a dock. They get on here, they go to different locations. I had to make a stop here underneath the Granville Bridge to show you all this. It is the Granville Chandelier. The city of Vancouver a few years ago had the bright idea of setting up this decoration, a giant chandelier that hangs underneath the Granville Bridge. I think they said it's supposed to rotate like once per hour or something like that. I really don't remember. It's so long ago it's been installed, but it's still here. So at least if I ever become homeless and I want to feel classy, I can come live under a bridge and have a giant chandelier. That's part of the crazy stuff you will find in Vancouver. Oh, here it is. It says, to accommodate ongoing work for the Granville Connector project on the Granville Street Bridge, Spinning Chandelier will perform in a modified sequence as of May 2023. Performances will continue daily with the chandelier illuminating and spinning at 12 p.m., 4 p.m. and 9 p.m. Although we may experience some interruptions from time to time, the complete performance of the chandelier will resume later this fall. Okay, so it doesn't spin once an hour anymore. It's now like 3 times per day. Whatever. There goes the boat again. Looks like they're just cruising up and down Falls Creek. A lot of people on it, and here looks like they're training. I don't know. So many interesting stuff you always see along Falls Creek. Look at how many volleyball nets are set up here in this little park in the Yaletown area. That's crazy. I don't know if they're all like just people coming to play, or they're different teams, or what's going on? I have no clue. But that's a lot of volleyball nets. Well, we've made it to the other end. We are in the Yaletown area now, so that's it for this adventure. Nothing else interesting happened. I'll head up these stairs, cross the street. Across the street is, I forgot what it's called. I'll show you all right now. There's some interesting stuff there. Here we have it. This is the weird art here at they call this Yaletown Roundhouse Community Center. It's a really interesting place. So they're doing different classes in there. Got this big, I don't know, is it like a glider or something? I have no clue. No clue what it is. Yeah, I've been here for so long and I still have no clue what it is. And in this part over here, they have a train. Show you all right now. Here it is. See, they're closed, so I can't go inside. There's a train. It's a engine 374 Pavilion. It says on May 23rd, 1887, CPR engine 374 pulled the first transcontinental train carrying 150 passengers into Vancouver, linking the new nation of Canada from coast to coast. This pavilion is a joint project of the Vancouver Board of Parks and Recreation and the Vancouver Central Lions Club. So that's the train there. Let me go to the side here where we can see it better. Train 374. That's it. That's the locomotive. And that's pretty much about it for our adventure today, our journey. Sorry, the beach day didn't turn out to be that popular. It was pretty dead today. I mean, it's a Wednesday, so people are working and all that. So that's it. I'm almost at the SkyTrain station, so I'm gonna call it a day. Let's cross here. And then we'll head on up towards Yaletown and the Yaletown SkyTrain station. Thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. Even though it was a little bit of a more laid back, boring video. Hopefully you all enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. See you on the next adventure.